Alright, so I pretty much got this on like Tuesday from one of my orders, and I have been waiting all week just to make my first official unboxing video. So here we are. We're going to unbox it. Paper, paper. Ooh la la. Yeah. Let's set this over here. We have the replacement battery. We have some kind of cloth, cleaning cloth already. And this is ScanDisk, extra gigabytes, 64 gigabytes. $51 accessories. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh, for sports action camera. Oh yeah, this is supposed to be a floating handle for the GoPro. So like, you can be in the pool or the water, the lake. I thought that was pretty cool. I'll have to go through this, but I mean, I got this so that I could have vehicle mounts, I could have helmet mounts, I could have, you know, dash mounts, because I do a lot of traveling. I think this is the wrist mount. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. All right, and then the last thing down here in the big box is, of course, another battery. So I have two complete batteries, my 50-piece accessory kit, my black GoPro 12, 64 gigs of extra memory, my accessory kit. Yeah, we're fixing to do some GoPro